Sasha drops a ball from a height of d meters onto the ground. The time, t seconds, that the ball takes to reach the ground is given by t equals the square root of 2d divided by g, where g is in meters per second, is the acceleration due to gravity. We're told that d is measured to be 35.6, correct to 3 significant figures, and g is 9.8, correct to 2 significant figures. We need to write down the lower bound of d. So we're told that d is 35.6 to 3 significant figures, which means the level above that would be 35.7 and the level below that would be 35.5. Which means that our lower bound is 35.55 and the upper bound is 35.65. So the lower bound of d is 35.55. So that's my answer for part A of this question. Part B, calculate the lower bound of t. Now t is given by this formula. So for the lower bound of t, we're going to do the square root of 2 times. Now we're going to need to use the lower bound of d divided by the upper bound of g. To get the smallest number possible, the lower bound, we want to do the smallest number possible divided by the biggest number possible. Now, we already know the lower bound of d, we worked it out in the first part of the question. We just need to work out the upper bound of g. So let's do that. Now, g, we know, is 9.8, correct 2 significant figures. So the level above that would be 9.9, the level below that would be 9.7. So our lower bound would be 9.75 and the upper bound would have been 9.85. So this is our upper bound for g. Right, substituting those into the formula then. So 2 times the 35.55 divided by the 9.85, all square rooted, gives us our lower bound for t, which is 2.686684595. And this is the lower bound for t.